Look at all of these toys.
Come here, honey.
Look at all of these toys. Look at all of these toys.
Look at all these toys.
Yeah,
Where are you?
here.
Where are we?
At Walmart. Let's come in here.
In here.
Look at those cars. Look here. Look over here. Look over here.
What are they?
They're cars. Hey, it's Christmas train.
A Christmas tree.
Yeah.
Oh, you're right. Look at
Yeah.
that.
Look at that.
Guess they're getting ready for Christmas. What do you think?
Look at this. Look at this.
Hold up what you have. What do you have there?
Topo Loco.
A Toro Loco that we don't have, huh?
I want him.
I know.
That's high location.
Let me see. Let me see the collection.
High location.
Higher education.
Yeah. Hi.
What do you got there?
Topo Loco.
Let's see it. Are you dying to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, you can open it.
Yeah.
Let's see. What kind of El Toro is it?
Orange.
Orange. Does it have a ramp?
Yeah.
You need a help? You need a hand?
I do it.
You do it. Okay.
I can do it.
You can do it. Why don't you stick a little finger right here? Pull away the cardboard a little bit. What do you think?
Yeah, good.
Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. You did it. Can you wait to tell Daddy?
Yeah.
You can't wait, can you?
I can. Wait.
Okay.
I got it.
You got it? What's on the back there? Is there a collection on the back?
There are.
Who's on there?
How about the location?
Higher education. You want me to open it for you?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll open it. Ready?
I want to have. There we go.
What you got there?
Hello, Loco with a lamp.
How many El Toros do you have now?
So many of them.
I think you have 6 El Toro Locos.
Let's put that down.
It might be your favorite.
Yeah. It's my favorite Toro Loco.
This one?
Yeah.
Why?
I don't know.
Because he glows?
Yeah.
Bright orange, right? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Are you glad we got it?
Yeah.
What do you think about Monster Jam trucks?
Good. Can I get thumbs up?
Can I get thumbs up?
You like this channel? Please subscribe to more channels. When you click this red big button, please subscribe to more channels. Please subscribe to more channels. Typing up to 4. There's so many more videos to watch. Well,